Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide notes on Messenger. So first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Messenger by going to your Play Store and then search Messenger here. And then if you see a button that says update, what you're going to do is to click that update button and then wait as it is processing. So as you can see here, my Messenger is not up to date, so I have to click this update button right here. Once done, then you can now go back and open your Messenger application and you're 100% sure here that the features are up to date. So now launch or open your Messenger. And if you want to hide a note, for example, this one right here, my friend Yung, he has this note. Now, if I'm going to long press this one, then I cannot see hide note here. Instead, I can see this hide contact, which is that is the thing that you're going to do. Since you can't see a hide note here, so hide contact is the other way. So you have to click this hide contact here and you will not see this note or this person's note anymore on your messenger. So there's no hide note here on Messenger, or rather hide contact, so that you cannot see or you can no longer see that person's note here on your messenger. But don't worry, you can still return or you can still unhide this. And you can still contact the person even if you hide this contact. So if you want to see that person's note again, or messenger note, or if you want to see that person again here on the top, then what you're going to do is go to your settings, click privacy and safety, and then click this hidden contacts and click unhide. So if you tap and hide here and you go back to your messenger and refresh, then you will see that person's messenger note again. If you want to hide this, you have to long press and then tap hide contact. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.